Belje boasts a tradition of more than 3 centuries of production. The fertile plains stretching along the banks of the mighty Danube have always been a melting pot of cultures and nations, as well as the place where traditional homemade food is produced. Our own arable fields, where crop rotation is practiced, careful selection of seed material, state-of-the-art agricultural machinery. These are the foundations of food production at Belje. Fields of wheat, maize, sugar beet and sunflower create Baranja's recognizable landscape mosaics. The maintenance and repair shops at Remont are preparing agricultural machinery for the coming harvest, when farmers reap the benefits of the work they have invested. At Belje, we use our own raw materials to produce the finest animal feed, according to the specific requirements of each farm and contracting partner throughout the region. That is why Belje has 2 feed mill plants and 4 silos. Livestock farming comprises pig breeding, heifer stall feeding and dairy cattle breeding. The source of what is one of the most successful pig breeding productions in Europe and the biggest pig breeding production in Croatia is a nucleus farm at Brod Pustara. It provides top quality breeding material for the entire production with strict biosafety measures that ensure high production results. Belje, the most successful producer of cow's milk in Croatia for 10 years, has 6 dairy farms, including Mitrovac, the biggest dairy farm in Croatia, and Topolik, the largest automated dairy farm in this part of Europe. Heifer stall feeding takes place on our own farms, where we, in cooperation with numerous contractors, produce a large share of all stall-fed heifers in Croatia. Professional support for all our owned and contracted farms is provided by the veterinarians of Belje Agrovet. One of the biggest investment projects at Belje is the agricultural facility complex Mitrovac, an example of successful synergy of a dairy farm, a biogas power plant and a greenhouse for tomato production. Milk produced on the farms of Belje arrives daily at the dairy plant, where it is transformed into various milk spreads and semi-hard cheeses, as well as ABC fresh cream cheese, the most popular homemade cheese spread in the entire region, with a 35-year-long tradition of production. It is made of only 3 ingredients: milk, cream and some salt, and has numerous national and international awards that confirm its excellent quality. Traditional recipes of the old masters from Baranja are used to produce smoked and cured meat products, including smoked bacon, Baranja sausage and Baranja kulen, that bears the geographical indication at the EU level. Their top quality requires plenty of manual labor, best cuts of pork and finest paprika. Banovo Brdo is a hill between the plains of Baranja. This area, totaling 650 hectares, is famous for its southern slopes that are covered in far-stretching vineyards of Graševina, Chardonnay, Merlot, Cabernet Sauvignon and Blue Frankish that are under the care of experienced wine growers. This is no surprise, since Baranja has always been the mother of wine, as implied by its Hungarian name. In the heart of the vineyards, there is a state-of-the-art winery, proud owner of the highest-end technology in the region, with a total capacity of 8 million liters of wine. There we produce the characteristic Graševina wine from the Danube region, as well as many other exceptional wines, awarded gold medals at Decanter, Mundus Vini and other world-famous wine competitions. A great deal of love, dedication and passion are infused into every drop of Belje wines, along each step of their production, from the vineyard to the winery, and finally to the old cellar, which dates back to 1526 and holds a rich wine archive. Nowadays, Belje's tourist offer provides an opportunity to see the process of production of homemade foods and premium wines, and to witness the unbreakable bond between Belje and the locals.